How to use Britannica. Britannica is a good resource for definitions and for easy to find facts about whatever topic you're searching. So from library resources, you click on Britannica School. Once Britannica School loads, you can select middle or high school level. There's also a drop down that'll help you search within that level faster. But if you select middle, it'll bring you to some articles, images, and videos at a glance. We want to go up to search. This is where you're going to search those terms and keywords that you found and brainstormed on your index card. So for an example, I'm just going to search water. That will click enter. That'll bring me to articles about water. You can also click on images about water, videos about water. And then from there, as you open things, you can also save them to your content. That'll create a content folder for you. Just going to click on this water article. And here, you can either click it as a favorite, develop the citation, send it to somewhere,
no problem. Yeah.
email it, Google Classroom, Google Drive, etc. And that's how to use it.